Have you ever wondered what it really means to be a professional golfer? Once you accept money for playing golf, your path changes. Playing in amateur tournaments is no longer an option. As a pro, you'll compete in professional tournaments or find new ways to share your skills, like teaching beginners or managing golf clubs. Many pros also join golf associations to stay connected and explore other opportunities beyond competition. If you're an amateur thinking about going pro, keep in mind that this decision isn't easy to reverse. Amateurs should focus on learning and enjoying tournaments to build their game. For pros feeling the urge to switch things up, creating courses, running clubs, or starting online communities to share advice are great ways to stay involved. Teaching new players about club choices, rules, etiquette, and patience makes a big difference. And since injuries like golfer's wrist are common, experienced pros can also help others avoid these pitfalls. Being a pro golfer is more than just playing well. It's about passing on knowledge and embracing new roles. Whether competing or coaching, enjoy the journey and keep growing in the world of golf. Please like and subscribe to Capital Golf Info. Thanks for watching!